La lettre pro de la radio, vidéo.
Quand on est au Radio Days, il y a des gens qu'on rencontre et qu'on voit année après année, dont on sait qu'ils fournissent un service excellent, et c'est le cas de Radio Express. Hello, Jessica.
Hello, Denise.
Nice to have you in Paris.
Thank you so much.
It's great. So tell me, I see you in every Radio Days conference and before.
Yeah.
And it's great to have you around because I know so many stations are very happy with what you provide them. So can you tell us, for the French audience who maybe still doesn't know you, can you tell us what you are providing?
Yeah, definitely. No, Radio Express provides content on all kinds of on-air content, music programs, hourly, daily, weekly. We also have music libraries, music archives. We provide production and imaging services. We provide also now radio apps. We're developing apps for radio
great.
stations.
This is something new, right?
This is something new, yeah.
Yeah.
So we're constantly improving what we have. We have a lot of new programming that we're developing now. And
So how do you provide these programs, content? By which way? By which media? Internet, IP?
we deliver everything on the internet. Stations simply go in and can download from our website.
Yeah.
And everything's updated, whether it's daily or weekly. And it's a very simple process.
And stations can personalize this content?
It depends. We have a lot of content that's hosted.
Yeah.
So that kind of they just put on the air as it is
In English.
In English, but we have also unhosted programming. So the stations could put in their own host and customize it as
great.
they like. They could put in their own imaging.
Great.
And it comes in like 4 hours blocks of music and dance and rock and pod AC. So there's a little bit for every type of station.
In terms of jingle imaging, do you provide pre-made kits from famous brands?
Yeah, we work with a lot of producers that come to us to distribute their libraries internationally.
Mm-hmm.
So we work with clients or producers like Kilohertz and Jeff Thomas, a lot of the Cumulus libraries. So a lot of big name imaging libraries that have maybe up to 30,000 archived imaging tracks.
Wow.
So station gets a lot of content to work with, and then it's updated daily. So the content continues growing for the life of their lease of the library. So it's great for IDs, promos, commercials, any the station puts on the air.
So I heard a rumor is that you're actually working a lot with Africa?
Yeah. Africa
Tell me
is
about
definitely a big territory for me.
Which part? The English-speaking Africa?
English speaking primarily.
Yeah.
We do work with some of the French countries,
Yeah.
but East Africa and South Africa are big territories for me. A lot of new stations opening, especially in Nigeria. A lot of licenses, a lot of new frequencies. So it's a growing market for us.
Great.
So, yeah.
Tell me about the apps.
Yeah, so the apps, we just started working on them this past year. We teamed up with Jacobs Media.
Uh-huh.
So the division's called JCAPS. So now we're excited to start developing these for stations, and we're taking their brand internationally.
So what do these apps provide?
The apps provide streaming for the station.
Yeah.
We can integrate social media
Yeah.
for the station via the app. Any feed. That
Music covers?
Exactly,
Yeah,
music
yeah.
covers. Any feed that is going through from the station website can go directly into the app.
And feedback?
And feedback, which is nice.
Great.
So that's original content, podcasting, again, social media, streaming. So it's a little bit of everything.
Could you customize them in different languages?
Yeah, different languages. Also, we can have an app that has multiple stations on the one app. It's a big network. So
Great.
yeah, and very user-friendly interface. So
Great.
if the station needs to update anything on their own, they can go in and change the logo or color scheme, or they have a promotion. They can run banner ads throughout to monetize the app for themselves.
Great.
So it's a good tool for the station.
So if our friends watching this video want to discover more about your service, they go to www.
.radioexpress.com.
And they'll find everything there.
Find everything there.
Okay, it's
Yeah.
great. Great to have you in Paris, Jessica.
Okay, thank you so
thank you so
much.
much. Thank
Okay.
you.
La lettre pro de la radio, vidéo.